Hi, it's Darnell with Breville Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some thick sliced bacon in the Range Mage Pro. This is probably the quickest way, or the quickest way I know, to get some thick sliced bacon cooked. So let's get started with that right now. Alright, so I got myself some thick cut applewood smoked bacon from Costco here. I got my Range Mage Pro, and this cooking instructions are basically straight from the Range Mage Pro recipe book that they send with the Range Mage Pro when you order one. But basically it's pretty simple. You just open up the Range Mage Pro, you put 4 slices of thick cut bacon in. So I'm just going to put those in. You're not supposed to have them overlapping. They're supposed to kind of be arranged just to kind of lay in there individually. Now I'm seeing that my thick cut slice bacon is so big, I won't even be able to get a 4th in here comfortably. I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to, let's see. I may be able to squeeze a 4th in there. Didn't think I'd be able to get a 4th in. All right, gonna squeeze this 4th slice in here. Alright, so I've squeezed 4 slices in here in the Range Mage Pro, and I'm going to put the lid on, and you're supposed to just heat it for 4 minutes at high power. Flip them, do a minute, and then do 30-second intervals after that till you reach your perfect time. So I'm going to start with the 4-minute run. Just going to stick it on up in my microwave and close up, and just going to hit 4 minutes. So I'll let that run and bring you back. Alright, just finished. You hear that steam in there building up. Gonna flip this bacon over to give you a better view of it. Now for what I'm seeing of this bacon, I'm gonna just hit it with the full 2 minutes instead of a minute and 30-minute intervals. I'm gonna hit it with the full 2 minutes and see what happens. Alright, so I got this flipped. I'm going to stick it back in and just hit it for the full 2 minutes remaining. We'll see what happens. Alright, that last 2 minutes is up. That's 6 minutes total cooking time. Thing is steaming hot. Looks like our bacon's still not done. So we gave it the 6-minute treatment. It's still not fully cooked. So for my Range Mage Pro and my microwave, the recommended time did not work. So I'm just flipping it again. This one in the middle here is getting kind of cooked, but way underdone at this point. So I'm just going to put the lid back on there. I'm going to cook it for another, let's give it another minute, see what happens. I'll have to put it in 1-minute intervals from this point till I get my perfect time. We'll see. 1 more minute. Alright, it's been 7 minutes total now. Let's have a look again. It's still cooking, still not done. Getting closer, but it's not there yet. Not for my microwave, it's not. And your mileage may vary depending on your microwave, so. I'm going to give it another 90 seconds, which might be a little aggressive, but that'll take us into 8 minutes, 30 seconds. I'm going to let that run 90 seconds and bring you back. Alright, that minute 30 seconds is up. Now we've gone 8 minutes 30 seconds total. Let's see what's going on in here. We still have pieces that are nearly cooked, but I think for this really thick sliced bacon, you know, this Costco thick sliced bacon, their recommended time isn't even close to what it needs. Now we're at a point where it's getting near done. I'm going to move this piece here that was on the edge over into the middle. Try and get it done some more. Get this piece here moved over into the middle. I'm going to hit it for another minute. That'll put us at 9 minutes 30 seconds. We're getting at times where, you know, other microwave bacon cooking tools would probably accomplish the same goal as the Range Mage at this point. So let's give it another minute, see what happens. Alright, time's up. 9 minutes 30 seconds of total cooking so far. Let's see how it's looking. Well, it looks like looks pretty good now. Looks like some pretty well cooked bacon. You can see, you know, all the grease is in there. So I'm going to get some paper towels, put it on a paper towel lined plate. So I'm just going to take these slices, put them over here on this paper towel lined plate. You know, this is kind of like the old school, back before we had cookers that would let this fat drip off. You know, you had to put your bacon on a towel lined plate or something to hold all the grease. Alright, so I'm going to just take and plate one of these slices of bacon here. Just try and see if I can dab some more of the grease off of it. Alright, so we'll turn the camera around and do a taste test of this bacon from the Range Mage Pro. Alright, bacon from the Range Mage Pro, 9.5 minutes. Let's check it out. Alright, so that bacon, fully cooked. Still a little chewy, but fully cooked. Very greasy, very salty because it cooks in its juices, marinates in those, well, you know, cooks in those juices the whole time. 9.5 minutes, I'll say I'm a little underwhelmed by the performance of the Range Mage Pro on bacon. Other microwave cookers can knock out bacon in about that amount of time and allow the drippings to drip off the bacon so it's not all greasy, salty, greasy and salty, cooking in all that juice and fat. So, you know, I'm underwhelmed here, I'll say, with the Range Mage Pro on this one. Other microwave cookers are, I'd say, pretty much on par with the Range Mage Pro in my opinion for this type of a cook. You could cook it in like one of the convection toaster ovens or power air fryer oven elite or something, and it'll take a little longer, but still drippings drip off so that you don't have as greasy, salty a slice of bacon as you do with the Range Mage Pro. Yeah, you can use your paper towels and try and pat it and all that whatnot, but still not as good, I'd say, in my opinion, as some other cookers for bacon. So the Range Mage Pro, this was just to give it a try and do a demo of it. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions about this. I will say that I do use the Range Mage Pro on a very regular basis for fried eggs or sunny side up eggs. I mean, it's bar none best. You know, like 2.5 minutes I can knock out a sunny side up egg, and I've got a video about how that's done, and that does very well. But for bacon, no, I'll use something else. That's just my opinion. Anyway, there's other written instructions for different cookers at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can get to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Also, I'm on Twitter at waveovenrecipes, Instagram, waveovenrecipes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.